Welcome viewers to our YouTube channel Self-Help Care. We try many things and waste money for increasing hair growth. In this video, I will show you increase hair growing by onion. This is our YouTube channel Self-Help Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, onion for growing hair. Onion juice. Onion juice helps stimulate your scalp while nourishing it and boosting blood circulation. It will help tackle any scalp issues while also ensuring that your hair grows faster and thicker. Coconut oil and onion juice. For this you need 2 tablespoons onion juice, 2 tablespoons coconut oil and 5 drops tea tree oil if you have dandruff. First step. Combine all the ingredients and make a smooth blend. Second step. Apply this onto your scalp and massage for a couple of minutes. Third step. Leave the mixture on for about 30 minutes. Wash your hair with mild shampoo. Olive oil and onion juice. Mix the olive oil and onion juice until you get a well combined mixture. Apply this onto your scalp and gently massage your scalp in circular motions. Leave the oil on for about 2 hours. Wash your hair with mild shampoo. Castor oil and onion juice. Mix the castor oil and onion juice until you get a well combined mixture. Apply this mixture onto your scalp and gently massage your scalp in circular motions. Leave the oil on for about an hour. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Egg and onion juice. Whisk the onion juice with the egg to get a smooth mixture. Apply this onto your scalp and work it down through the length of your hair. Once your hair scalp are entirely covered in the mixture, wear a shower cap to avoid making a mess. Wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. Wash your hair with water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Ginger and onion juice. Combine the ginger and onion juice, apply this mixture onto your scalp and gently massage your scalp in circular motions. Leave the oil on for about half an hour. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. So viewers, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.